Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ursula Fredericks, and I'm one of the ladies who was involved with the breakfast by Auntie Mina's house. This was a marvelous experience since the matriculants started their Matric, the exams. We were there to entertain them every morning with their breakfast. It was a three-course meal, the porridge and the main lunch, and then a fruit salad. And it was very marvelous. And to end this off for this exciting boat trip was really exciting. I just want to thank Mama Kay and her team for everything she has done for us. Thank you very much, Mama Kay.
Good day, I'm Javante, and I want to say for my first experience, this was really an amazing thing to experience. And I want to say thank you to those who made this possible for us.
The boat experience was, my name is Kayla Lee Stevens. The boat experience was really nice. I would like to do it again soon.
My boat tour experience was very fantastic, and I would like to experience it as soon as possible again.
I really want to thank Mama Kay and the councillor for making this trip possible, and thank you for all our students that availed themselves to come today. It was really a good trip, and thank you so much.
My name is Elisa Arends, and I just want to thank everybody that did do this, make it possible for us. And I would like to go on a trip like this again soon.
I'm Shauna Lee, and I'm one of the learners, and I did really enjoy the boat trip, and I really want to go again. I'm Chanel Johnson, and I really appreciate everyone that made this opportunity possible.
I'm Keegan Abrams, and I appreciate everything that they've done so far for us, and I appreciate everything that they've been doing for us and going further.
I'm Ibrahim Bonds. The experience was amazing. We'll definitely do it again. Just want to see more dolphins.
Hi, I'm Logan, and I really enjoyed the boat trip. Thank you, Mama Kay.
Hi, I'm Shamain. I'm the cook. I just want to say thank you, Mama Kay. Thank you, Counselor, for this great blessing you gave us today. May God bless you.
My name is Lee. The boat trip was nice, and I will go again. My name is Mia, and the boat trip was nice, and I would like to say thank you to each and every lady who made the breakfast very special for us.
My name is Janika. The boat trip was nice, and I would go again.